This screencast is a demonstration of the Magento Layout Unremove extension. It's intended to show you both what the Unremove extension can do and what it cannot do. So, I got an email from someone who wanted to add back the left-hand column to the one-page checkout page. So, here we are on the one-page checkout. As you can see, we load. There's no left-hand column. We're going to take a look using commercebug. Commercebug is a commercial debugging extension that I wrote. If you're interested in it, you can find it online. So what we're going to do is use the layout tab to view the page layout. What the page layout is, this is the final XML file that's used to generate all of the blocks that make up your page. So it's an XML file. We're going to take a look at the source here. And what we're going to do is we're going to search for the remove tag. And we can see on this page we're removing the sale reorder sidebar, removing the left, we're removing the wish bar sidebar, we're also removing the reorder. All of these are blocks that we are removing. And so we're back up. So we are removing 4 blocks on this page. We want to undo the removal of the left-hand block because we want to get the left-hand column back. So, again, using commercebug, we can see our main handle here is checkout one-page index. So we're going to take that. We're going to go to our local.xml file, add this handle in, and add our unremove extension, or a call to the tag that our unremove extension adds. You know, God bless Magento, right? Alrighty, so we've added that in. We'll now clear out our cache. We'll go back to the page. We will reload. It'll do a little dance while waiting for it to reload. And no left-hand column got added. So, wondering why that is. Let's take a look at the page layout again. The first thing we should do is make sure that the unremove call was part of the page layout. So if we search for x-unremove, we can see, okay, name equals left. Next, let's search for all of our remove tags. And we can see, okay, wishlist sidebar is still there. Name equals reorder. Sales reorder sidebar. And then we have this empty tag. This empty tag actually used to be the remove name equals left. What the unremove extension does is goes through, looks at all the remove extensions, and if any match the ones we're trying to unremove, it simply yoinks them out. So that works. So next, let's make sure we have a block name left, actually, that's part of the layout. So there's our unremove. And yeah, okay, we have a block named left. So everything seems to be in order. If we keep searching for left, we'll see that, okay, we are adding blocks with references. The last thing we'll want to check to reveal it all is, let's take a look at the root block. So we see, okay, we got a reference, name equals root, and here's our problem. The one-page checkout, in addition to removing the block name left, also sets the template to 2 columns right. And if we take a look at that template and look at all the calls to get child HTML, we can see we're loading the head block, we're loading the after body start, global notices, header, breadcrumbs, global messages, content, right, footer, before body end, but we're not rendering the block name left. So unremove won't take care of this for you. All unremove will do is add the left block back to the page layout. by making sure that the remove tag has been properly, unremoved. What we'll need to do here is we'll need to set the template to be the 3-column template. Clear our cache. Come back to our page, refresh. And it's loading, because I have a slow local computer. And we get our left-hand column. Yay. However, one other thing to keep note of, the styles for this page weren't made with a 3-column layout in mind, so we still have some style adjustments to make to our style sheets. So the unremove extension, what it does is it'll add the block back in, but you're still responsible for making sure your layout actually works with a whatever block you're adding back in. Just to show you without the unremove extension what would happen. Come back. Reload, the layout's rebuilding from cache. My hard drive's really slow. I really want an SSD. We've changed the template, but without unremove, the left-hand block is still gone. That's because, again, if we take a look at the page layout, and we look for the block named left, we can see this ignore equals 1. When a remove block is present, what Magento does is it goes through the page layout and will mark certain blocks that are matched by the remove. So you say remove equals left, and it tags them with this ignore tag. When the blocks are being instantiated, if the ignore tag is present, the block never gets created. So here we have the right template, but we don't have any left-hand block. That's what unremove does for you. As I said before, it's not a cure-all, but it's a tool you can use to better build your layouts and better keep all your changes inside local.xml. So hopefully that's been enlightening, and thank you for your time.